restlessness. Restlessness. I'm not at rest. I'm not present. Breath isn't flowing. I've lost trust. I'm in my dream. I'm lonely. I must seek for connection. Now I've got connection. This is a threat to my sovereignty. Got to kick it out. Anyway, it all forms of what goes on in the fan blades. Behind this can be discerned a sense of restlessness. When recognized, which means you have to be willing to discover it in the moments of your very life, abandon it. Could say, just say no. Nope, not going there. I'm lonely, I desire to appease my loneliness. No, I think I'll just sit here and welcome the actual feeling quality, honestly, of being lonely. I turn my mind toward it with breath, with curiosity. And he says, this is the process by which the world is released. Oh my God, is it ever? As we deepen our presence and our honesty, as we deepen Shalu, which cultivates the witness, the capacity of this inner light of the sun to shine into the darkness, it reveals. We begin to see, oh, if I know that one well. Come home after work, I'm all alone. That fast, I'm turning on the television. Could this be an escape, a need and a desire to avoid? Now I welcome that state, just as it is, and just sit with it. I abandon the restlessness that leads to, through desire, need, etc., into an action. I just stop. That's it. I just stop. This must be the ripe time to make my home in the breathing. It goes on to say, this is a living practice. This is kind of graduate level stuff here. Nobody will even know that you're doing it. By doing so, one automatically discovers that which the kingdom is. Peace. There's something prior to the fan blades I've generated compelling me in any direction. Peace is always present. It's always available. We like to say, the kingdom is a breath away. Here, when we are truly beginning to cultivate rest in the kingdom, the queendom, there's something that arises as a felt knowing, which will begin to deepen and become to be pervading all of the moments as they come and go. Here there is a direct knowing. Why does he say direct knowing? It's got nothing to do with the mind thinking it as a thought. It's immediate. It's direct. What is it? That one lacks nothing. The restlessness emerging from the ego's fan blade realm is always emanating from lack, because the ego is lack. I've edged God out. I'm starving. I'm hungry. It's the way reality is. There's things to fear and all of the rest. The ego generates restlessness. Underneath it is its own depravity, its lack, its emptiness, its nothingness. This pervades and makes worlds. As we heal and awaken, this living practice, so easy to read right by and forget about, will become increasingly required, so we might as well begin now.